Track 2.25, Unit 7, Reading, Exercise 2. Young Writers.
Have you ever wanted to write a book? It isn't easy to write a good novel. It's also difficult to find a publisher for it. But some teenagers have done it.
Helena Coggan has always loved reading all kinds of books. She has written 2 novels so far. She started her first novel, The Catalyst, when she was only 13. Her second book, Reaction, is the sequel. The setting for both stories is a future fantasy world. It's a dangerous place where people fight and use magic against each other. The main character is Rose, a 15-year-old girl. Rose has special powers, and she uses her powers to keep herself safe. Helena has become a successful writer, but she hasn't stopped working hard at school. She knows it's important to get a good education. Helena also knows that she has been lucky. Her parents have helped her a lot.
Christopher Paolini is a young American author. He started writing when he was 15. He's written a series of 4 novels called The Inheritance. The books have become bestsellers in the United States. Over 35 million people have bought them. Like Helena, Christopher has always enjoyed reading, especially fantasy and science fiction. Christopher's novels take place in a fantasy world. There are dragons, monsters, and strange animals, and lots of magic. The main character is a 15-year-old boy called Eragon. He grows up on a farm, but he leaves the farm to become a dragon rider, and he has a lot of adventures. Christopher's first book, Eragon, has now become a film. There is also a video game with the same name, so fans can enjoy the fantasy even more.